All right, we've got a really easy recipe for you today. We're gonna grill some wings on the Traeger. We've got NFL playoff football today, so we're gonna make some wings. We're gonna sit back and watch some of the games. My Titans have a first round bye. Let me know who your team is. So today we're gonna be making some grilled wings on the Traeger.
The first thing we're going to do is add some olive oil to our chicken wings. This is going to act as a binder to help the rub stick to the wings. Speaking of rubs, we're using Meat Church's Holy Voodoo seasoning for this. We're going to add plenty of seasoning and mix it in so everything is evenly coated with plenty of rub. Now let's head out to the grill. We have our Traeger set to 425 degrees for this cook. Evenly place your wings over the grill grate and add a little bit more rub. We're going to cook these wings for about 40 to 45 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to flip the wings over to let both sides cook evenly. We're looking to hit 165 degrees internal for these wings. Once these wings are up to temp, we're going to add them to a bowl. I absolutely love garlic Parmesan wings, but I haven't been able to make my own sauce that is nearly as good as this garlic Parmesan sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. And seeing that Walmart carries it, it's very easy to find, so I highly recommend this sauce. We use it all the time. Add some of the sauce to a bowl and we're going to toss our wings. Be careful doing this. I got a little carried away and spilled one, if you can imagine that, but this is the best way to evenly coat every wing. After that, we're going to throw them back on the grill for about 5 minutes to let the sauce really set into the wings. After that, just remove it from the heat and you're good to go.
Let's dive right in. You know what I'm probably about to say, but that is so good. That is outstanding. It has plenty of smoke flavor. I love the rub. You can taste plenty of the rub on there. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, and that garlic Parmesan sauce is so good. Give this a try. The full recipe is in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment letting us know what you want to see us cook next, and thanks for watching.